Hey everyone, it's Sandra, and I'm coming to you with today's Ask Me Anything, the Q&A time. And today's question or questions are collectively about what content do I need? So I'm hearing people say that they don't really know where to pull what content goes where. It's sort of the like, what do I write? Not the how I say it that we talked about in another Ask Me Anything, but the actual content itself. We've got obviously, content that's written, content that's in images, content that's in audio, content that's in video. And I'm going to talk about the topics, not just, the method or the vehicle that you're using for this. So talking about this in like content buckets. So that's how you should think about this. I know that there's like content calendars out there that you can use to kind of schedule the different things going on and what you want to say on a particular day or week or month, depending on how you look at it or how far you plan ahead. And there's some use for those. The use, let's start there. The use is predominantly for things like big events and planning out the content that you might do before an event. That is a specific timing to that type of content, right? If you're going to launch a new course or there's just a holiday or a particular event for your company that you want to start promoting. So calendars are really good for that kind of thing so that you know ahead of time, how to kind of put those breadcrumbs of content out there and, lead them up to that particular date. On the other hand, what I really want to address today are preparing your content buckets. And those are the things that you will consistently use that you'll plug into the calendars, the posts, the articles, and the like. And what I'm talking about in these content buckets are things that you'll have a small bucket of things that are promotional. Those are the things that most people think about first. They're not the predominant thing that will be out there, but that bucket of promotion are the things where you talk about your company, what you do, who you are, the different offers that you have, your services, and what you're selling. So that's your promotional bucket. The other buckets are things that relate to the business, and that should be about 80% of your posting. So moving on to that would be things like tips, helpful stuff. So if you are, teaching somebody something about your business, that would be, the tips and how to type of posts. Another bucket would be things like motivational. It can be fun, excuse me, but something like, keep encouraging, something that makes them understand your personality, something that gets them to, know you a little bit better, but also encourages them. So show them your heart. These are the, more emotional types of posts that you might do. Pretty much this is the quote boxes. This could be live videos. This could be things that just, display your heart into, the effort of what you're doing. And then, of course, you've got another bucket that are things like facts. So this could be research reports that you do, statistics, information that you do about your industry. And these are things that will help show your knowledge base, that will show your expertise out there. So that's kind of the wisdom content bucket. And there are plenty of other buckets that are, industry specific. So I'm not here to tell you all your buckets, but I'm here to give you the idea to start thinking in buckets. And then what you'll do is you'll decide what kind of pattern you want to use with your buckets. Keep that promotional one light. So you don't want to start with that. Have some openings and posts with, the motivational buckets, your tip buckets, and your educational wisdom buckets. So do it that way, and that will help get you some sort of pattern, and will give you things to talk about because you'll just dip into the different buckets for the things that you are doing in a week or a month or however often you plan your content. So that's the way to think about what type of content do you really need. So that's your tip for today and your Ask Me Anything answer. Please comment down below or message me with questions that you might have, and I'll address them on another episode of our Ask Me Anything. And if you do want to ask me and you want personal information, like you want to understand about your own specific business, make sure to schedule an action plan call, because I'm happy to talk to anybody about your business and give you the right direction as to where you head or what you might need, resources, links, that kind of thing. So you can schedule an action plan call by going to my website or messaging me here wherever you are reaching me. So thanks, have a great day, and don't forget, ask me anything.